going to transform ChatGPT from simple chatbot into a powerful autonomous AI assistant. What if you could give an AI a complex task and it could break it down, find it its own tools, and execute multiple steps planned on its own? This is the world of agentic AI. And by the end of this video, you know how to create one yourself. Think about it, a tool that can automatically analyze a spreadsheet and summarize news articles related to your data and even draft a report all with a single command. This isn't science fiction, it's what we are building today. And the best part is, you don't need to be a coding genius. You just need to know how to prompt. Okay. So now you may have a question, what is agentic AI? Right? So before we dive into, let's clarify. ChatGPT you know and love, and what we are calling an agentic AI. Okay, standard ChatGPT. Let me just quickly jump on the screen and just show you the navigation of ChatGPT. Right. So this is your ChatGPT. You can see it on the screen. Standard ChatGPT. Think of it's like a smart intern who waits for your commands. You ask summarize this article and it does. It's reactive. It can't go out and find new information or use external tools on its own. Now, let's talk about agentic AI. This is a different beast. An agent is a proactive. It has a brain, the LLM, like a chat GPT, but it's also given eyes and hands, the ability to use tools. It can browse the web, access databases, and even run a code. Give it a high level goal and it figures out the steps to get it there. It's autonomous. The key components for agentic AI are the LLM, okay, which is your large language model, referred as a the brain who understands and reasons. Okay, the goal, the task you give it. Cool. The third one is that the tools, the external functions. It can be used like a web browser, a code interpreter, or specific API, if any. The planner, the part of agent that breaks down the goal into actionable steps. Cool. And the fifth one, which is the most important, the memory. Its ability to remember the past conversation and context. Right? Now let's move ahead and check the core concept of prompting for agents. The magic here is the prompt. We are giving the AI a role and set of instructions. This is called prompt engineering at a higher level. Let's look at bad example first. Okay. I'll simply type here, tell me about data analytics train. Okay. And I'll hit a enter button over here. It will take some time and it will load over here. This is the data what we got over here. This is the basic result what we got over here. Right. The result is you get a genetic, a pre-trained response from LLM's database. It's a monologue. Now let's create a first agentic prompt. Okay, we are going to create data analyst agent over here in this entire chat GPT. Okay, the persona, the objective, the tools, and the output over here. Right, your agent is agent DT. We can call it as right. So what I'm going to do over here is I'll just simply click here, and there is an option called GPTs. Now here we have to simply click on this option called create. Okay. Now this is the page what we have available in front of us. Great. Now the persona, you are an agent DT, a highly skilled data analyst and automation expert from Discover Talent. Your job is to assist me with a complex data task. That's my persona basically. Right. So what I'm going to do, I'll just simply go here, instruction, and I'll add those instruction over here. You are agent DT. Okay, we'll simply add that here. A highly skilled data analyst and automation expert here from Discover Talent. You can add your own, okay, basis your domain. If in case you are from finance domain, you can change that as well as per your convenience folks. Okay, it is a dot over here. Your job is to assist me with complex data tasks. Okay, since we have mentioned over here agent DT, so let me just type this as a copy and name will be this. Okay, and this is the description basically, right? So what type of description it is all about, right? So I'll say this: analyze sales and identify key trends and outliers. So this is the description what I have wrote over here. Okay, if in case you want to start as a conversation starter line, you can just add that. Okay, I don't want to add it, so I'll just keep this as it is. If in case you are not really sure where to put what, right, which means the a name is here, okay, the description should be here, or whatever things are there, right, don't worry to worry. Okay, so you don't have to go here in the configure, you can just simply go here in the create tab. Here it will ask, hi, I will help you to create your new GPT. Okay, in this case, let's say need your help creating agent DT. Okay, so this is my the prompt, initial prompt for you, and it will take some time to create our own. Okay, and then as soon as I get a reply over here, okay, so we'll add a next prompt over here. It will take some time to load. Great, so we'll wait for this. Again, if in case you want to change any kind of data over here, we can do that as well. Okay, now here it is asking me much and much information like this. I'll simply just paste this information for now, and let's see. Okay, let me just scroll up over here. Persona is this, the objective is this, okay, the tools is like this, and the output will be giving me as an analysis and report creation for my agent specific, right? So it will take some time. Again, if in case you are from finance department, healthcare department, or maybe accounting, right, you can also create your own agents over here in the chat GPT, folks. Okay, it will take some time. And profile pic, it is asking me if in case you want to create any kind of a profile pic. Okay, so saying that, do you like me to create a profile pic? Okay, so I'll simply say yes please. You can see the preview over here, okay, right hand side. It will take some time again to load. Okay, analyze the sales spreadsheet for key trends, find the outliers. These are the just frequently asked question kind of questions, right? Okay, so would you like me to generate a new profile picture or anything else? So I'll say yes. Simply just have to say as per the prompt, whatever questions they will ask, right? You just have to give the answers there. If in case you have your own data set in Excel, okay, or maybe frequently asked question kind of questions, right, you can upload those as well, giving a reference in the configure. I'll quickly show you that as well. Okay, so this is the picture for me, and this is my agent is created now. Okay, so now once it is done, I'll just simply click on this option called create. Okay, now there are three options available. You can see GPT store, anyone with this link, and only me. Now, what does that mean exactly? So when we say only me, agent will only help me. Okay, other people will not have access for this specific agent. Okay, as soon as I give this kind of a link, okay, I'll click on this option, and as and when I get this generated link, okay, I can share that link with anyone, and they can access this GPT. Okay, using a chat GPT. They just have to do a sign in and they can use this chat GPT. Okay. If I want to make a public, I'll just simply select this as a GPT store. Select a category, appropriate category. I'll say this productivity or research analysis. So for me, this is a research and analysis, and I'll select a save button. Okay, it will take some time to save. Okay, and then people who are available across a globe who are leveraging this kind of chat GPT, right? They have the access of this specific agent. Okay, and this is the world of agentic AI, folks. Okay, and I'll simply click on this option called View GPT now. Great. Now, as soon as I click on this View Agent, I got this agent available at the backend. I'll just click on this Close sidebar over here. Now you can see analyze the sales spreadsheet, key trends, find outlier, create summary report from the sale performance, so and so on. Now to perform this activity, what we have to do, we have to upload one Excel over here. Okay. So I have one raw data with me. Okay. This is the data with me. And what I'm going to do, I'll just delete this. I don't really require. I'll simply save this file first. Okay. On the download section itself, because I can directly save that the GPT section. I'll say sales data and save it. Okay. And here, as soon as it is done, I'll do a alt tab again. I'll just come here and I'll say create a report for the sales performance. Okay. And I'll apply it this kind of file attachment over here. Okay. This is the please refer the attached file over here. Okay. And this is the attached file in which I want a executive summary, detailed findings, and recommendations. Okay. So what I'm going to do over here is I'll just simply say executive summary, okay, comma, here, detailed findings, okay, and recommendations. All. Easy, steady job. You don't have to do any kind of coding over here. Okay. What we have did, we have just simply add this kind of prompt over here, and it asks us, do you have a data set in your mind? Okay, because we already have the data set. So simply I have addressed over here. Now please refer the attached file, and I need, okay, and I'll hit a send button. It will take some time to analyze and it will give me the result. Okay. So let's wait. So now here we got, here it's saying I can do it. I don't see the file here. Please upload the files in .csv, XLSX, or this. Two quick classifiers I produce exactly answering the helpful. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to just convert that data into a normal CSV file. Okay. So we can do that. So I'll just click here again, save as CSV. Okay. Because it's not really catching that specific information. So that's what I'm just changing that, the format. Let's see if it is catching now. So it's data one. And I'll save it. Okay. So sales data one is done. And then I will just go here again. I'll upload it. Okay. Here. Now I'll just quickly show you these things as well. Okay. Since we are here. So you can connect your SharePoint as well. If in case you have a data set available in SharePoint, you can just directly connect your SharePoint. If your data set available in OneDrive, you can connect that to Google Drive or maybe any other external files which we have did just now. Okay, we can do that too, right? There is an option to speak. You can speak. Okay, if in case you want to, I'll just close this and click on this option. Use voice mode. And I'll click on this continue option. Start capture. Okay, and it will show me like this. Okay. Hello, ChatGPT. Okay, so this is how it is working for us. Cool. Just for a demo purpose, I have just now showed you over here. Okay, so let me just add quickly this files over here, and it will give me the glance over here. And this is the CSV file. Please find the attached CSV file now and give me the insights what I requested. Simple basic English I have just now added over here, and I'll hit an enter button over here. Let's see what result we get over here. So when we see this kind of an error over here, okay, because of our agent is not really reading this kind of a CSV file, that time what we can do, just go here, okay, click on this edit GPT again, and then let's check the settings, what exactly went wrong. Just go to the configure, scroll down, okay, just turn this option on, capabilities, okay, and then once it is on, now it will take some time to understand it, our file, and then it will give us an overall data set. Okay, update it. That time we'll upload this again. Like click on this view GPT, create report summary here, and I'll upload it this kind of files once again. And since we have already copied that, right? So need help creating. Now see if it can read it our data. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so it's taking some time. It's thinking longer, loading, analyzing our sales data because we earlier we have turned that option off. That's what it was not really working. Now we check that on. Now it's working. Okay, so it's inspecting a first row. Now it's analyzing a trends of our sales data. Okay, now let's see what exactly the analysis we are getting through a chat GPT. Okay, cool. It will take some time because it's analyzing outliers, doing its own calculation, own mechanism, right? So we'll wait for that, right? And as soon as we get it, we can see the result available on the here itself, right? Product file put together, concise data, backend sales performance, executive summary is this, okay, and detailed findings are this, okay. It's pretty much detailed information, okay, folks. Again, if you are just a normal agent, or maybe you are hiring any kind of an intern for that matter, right? He or she will not able to do it this kind of an analysis, which ChatGPT did. Okay. And once again, welcome to the era of agentic AI, folks. This is the beauty of ChatGPT. Okay. You can see. Tell me the follow-up you want to, I will generate it right away. So this is my beautiful agent DT. Okay. It is giving me a amazing results over here. Okay. So let me just wait and ask him, if he can show me a representation in a graphical form. Yeah, let's type it. Can you show me result in infographic or chart wise? So I can copy and paste in my Excel and I'll simply hit a enter button. Okay, let's wait what type of result we are getting over here. Okay, so it is loading a Python script over here and we can see it over here. Okay. So if in case you are not really aware about what Python is, no need to worry. Simply click here. Okay. It will turn that option off. This will not really show you again and it will only give you the result, which is this. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'll just copy this, just do a alt tab over here and I'll simply paste it over here. This saves my lot of time because every time, as and when I get this kind of data, right, we always have to do a cleaning, okay, and then do an analysis, and sometimes we miss some sort of insights as well, right? But in Chat GPT, if you see it, right, it did all around, right? So from top to bottom, bottom to top, middle, everything ranges has been covered by ChatGPT itself, right? And it gives us a result then and there. Okay. So again, I'll do a alt tab over here. I'll check what exactly it's giving me the result. Okay. I'll say okay. Wow, look at that. It's not just giving us a number, okay, here explaining its process, just like a human analyst would. And now it's generating our report. It's summarizing top selling product and the highest performing regions, right? Even highlighting a strange sales spike. What happened of specific date, right? This is the power of agentic AI. Talk about tool augmented agents, okay? Imagine an agent that can not only analyze data but also access a live stock market API to find real time data or a weather API to correlate a sales with your weather conditions. You can give agent access to whole suite of your tools. Okay. Now, multi-agent system. What does that mean? This is the future. Okay. Imagine a project manager agent that oversees a research agent and report writing agent. They communicate and collaborate to achieve a goal. This is how you can automate entire workflows. Folks. Okay. Key to all of this is still the prompt. The better you define the role, the goal, and available tools, the more powerful your agent will be. Okay. It's not about magic words, but about a clear, structured instruction codes. Okay. So far, what we have developed, okay, let me just quickly show you my agents over here. Okay. Click here. Okay. Here you can see the GPT store. And in the GPT store, there are multiple GPTs available. And my GPTs are like this. You can also create your own, folks. Okay. And people are consuming this. More than 70 chats, 100 chats, so on and so forth. You can see how beautiful it is, right? Just create it, deploy it. I truly believe in this agentic AI world. There you have it. Okay, just learn how to move beyond a basic chatbot to interaction and create a truly intelligent agentic AI. This is a game changer for anyone in data analytics or any field that involves complex multi-step tasks. I want to know what kind of agentic AI you are going to build. A market research agent, a content creation agent. Let me know in the comments on YouTube. Okay. If you found this useful, smash that like button, subscribe to Discover Talent for more ways to supercharge your skills with a technology and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss out the next video. Once again, thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.